video, we will learn how to create a connection to MySQL database in Python. You need to have MySQL connector installed on your system. You can watch our other video to learn how to install MySQL connector. Over here, I'm going to use gedit editor to create our script so we can connect to MySQL. First, we need to import mysql.connector, and I will also just save this file as MySQL connection, MySQL connect.py, and now I'm going to call MySQL connector function connect to connect to our MySQL database and get the connection back. So I'm going to save over here my connection, and here I need to give the our host name. That will be host equals, that is our local machine, so that will be a local host for us, and our user for MySQL username, and that is user root, and password that will be my Tom123. By calling this connect function and passing in our host, user, and password, we will get our connection back. And I'm just gonna print that our my connection, and just save it, and then we will try to run it and check if it works for us. So to run our script, I need to type Python and then our script name, that is mysql underscore connect.py, and hit enter. And you can see it printed the object, the MySQL connection object over here. So we got the connection. So this way you can connect to MySQL using MySQL's connector for Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting, and thank you for watching.